Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you this new electric pressure washer. It's got 1753 PSI, and we're just going to take it outside and put it together and see how it works. So let's go do that. It pretty much comes like this. The handle is separate and you just slip it on, and there's 4 bolts in the back. I didn't put that in the video. But it comes with the hose for the wand. Comes with a wand extension and the handle. It also comes with this nice little bottle here that you can put your detergent and stuff in. We'll see how that works. And it comes with a cord with a reset on it. This is the off and on. Let's see. This is where you connect the hose to. The high pressure hose goes here. And then the water hose goes here. So that's pretty much how it goes. So let's put it together and see what we can get going on here. Slides in here, and you push this green button down to lock it in place. It's locked. Okay. So now I'm going to use the detergent bottle because I'm going to be spraying some detergent. Just push it and turn it. So I just put it in just like that and turn it. Now, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to go in and get some soap and put in here. So I'll be right back. So now I just put a little bit of soap in here because I don't have any real good soap. I just put a little, and this, just for your information, this bottle turns backwards of what you think. It's backwards of what you think. So anyway, that's going to put the soap on the car when you pull the trigger. So now, let's hook up the water hose. So now to hook the water hose up, it's pretty simple and self-explanatory. You just put it right there and get it started. And that's that. So now we're going to take it out here and plug the power in. We're going to turn it on and try it out. So now the first thing we're going to do is turn the water on. Turn it on all the way. Give it full strength water there. And then I'm going to take you over here, and the power's plugged in. I plugged in the power. And now we're going to see how it works. The soap portion first. We're going to see how it leathers up the car. There you go. Now let me get busy because my battery's going dead. The water in the bottle here because I didn't have enough detergent in it for it to be sucking it up in there. So, but you see, with just that little bit of soap in there, it does a real good job on soaping up the car. Soapy, we're going to put the high pressure nozzle on, and to take this off you just push in and twist. And you do the same thing with this. To put it in, you just push in and twist. Easy for me to say, just like that. And now this is on. Now my battery's going dead, so I'm just going to rinse the car off with this. If the battery goes dead and the camera goes off, I'm sorry, but give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel is the most important part other than watching the video. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Let me go rinse this car.